Baby shower banner. This banner is a great DIY project to keep in your back pocket, as it can be changed easily into a birthday banner, wedding shower banner, or welcome banner. You can experiment with using different shapes of craft paper or go with a bunting style. If you want to make your banner more seasonal, consider adding some fake or real flowers during the spring and summer months, colored leaves in the fall, or snowflakes in the winter. We kept our banner basic to act as a jumping-off point for your creativity to flourish. Gather the materials. For this craft, you will need the following supplies: scissors, craft paper or decorated cardstock, doilies, one for each letter, pens for lettering or alphabet stamps, craft glue, clothespins, washi tape, ribbon. Draw circles on cardstock. If you are making the banner for a friend and you know the baby's sex, feel free to use colors to fit the baby shower. You can use pre-decorated craft paper or make your own with cardstock and watercolor paints. You will need one doily and one circle of cardstock per letter. The circles you draw should measure to fit the inside of the doily. For the doilies featured in this project, the circles had a diameter of 3/2 inch. Cut your craft paper to fit the doily. Use scissors to cut out the circles of your craft paper or decorated cardstock. For our decorated paper, we used watercolors to paint the background. Letter the craft paper circles. If you are good at calligraphy, now is the time to show off your fancy letter work. Use a pen or marker in a bold or contrasting color to write one letter on each of your circles. For our banner, we wrote the letters by hand without a stencil. If your letter work needs assistance, use a computer to find a font you feel comfortable tracing and print out the letters. Having a guide will help you achieve the look of a stamp or professional quality. Glue the circles onto the doilies. Once your craft paper circles have been lettered, use glue, white, clear, or a glue stick to adhere them to the center of your doily. Allow to dry. Tip: use a thin layer of glue so that the delicate doily paper doesn't get saturated and tear. Measure ribbon to hang your banner. Do you want to hang your banner in a doorway, over a fireplace mantle, on a wall, or in a nursery? The length of the ribbon you use to hang your banner will depend on where you want it to go. Cut your ribbon accordingly. Attach your doilies to the ribbon. You will need to use one clothespin per letter to attach your doilies to the ribbon. If you want to add something extra to your banner, feel free to decorate the clothespins. We recommend using washi tape or acrylic paint to add another pop of color, or a strip of lace to achieve a sweet, as can be look. It can be as subtle or bold as you want.